Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to create stacked column chart in PowerPoint. Let's get started. At first, you have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Then we go to the home menu, select the new slide drop down menu and create a blank slide. Then go to the insert menu, choose the chart option. We can see here many chart. Now I am select the column option. We can see here many variant column chart. Now I am select the stacked column. We can see here the stacked column 3D or normal stacked column. Now I am select the stacked column normal. Then click OK. Wait some moment to inserting the chart. We can see here insert the chart and here the data of the chart. Now I am close the data, then select the chart. We can see we enable the chart tools, go to the design menu and we can see here many style. You can add any style of chart. Now I am select this. You can enable the data, select the edit data option and wait some moment. We can see here the data. You can increase or change the data or legend or exist. Now I am select the data and change this. Now we can see we edit data easily. You can change the exist or legend. Select the text and write your text. Then close the window. Now we can see we change the legend. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.